Is the Playbite app really a way to play awesome games for money as it looks like at first, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I love testing different ways to make money, and many viewers have asked me about this particular app where you can earn by playing. And in this Playbite review, I'll give you an inside look. I have tested it thoroughly myself and I'll show you both the pros and the cons, and then you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and Playbite is an app you can download both for Android devices and iOS devices, and as you can see, it is arcade games in your pocket and you can play awesome games and then you can win prizes from all your favorite brands. So it sounds very good, and you know, who doesn't love playing games, right? And if you can win money at the same time, why not then? Let's log in, but first I also just want to say, like, when it comes to countries, from what I've been able to find out, it is available in more or less all countries, but before downloading it, let's first take a closer look so you can find out if it's even worth it. So I'll just log into the app and show more. So I have now logged in. I just first want to say that the registration process when you first download the app, if you decide to do it after watching this video, then you don't register right away. You get this test game, and once you've completed it, I'm assuming it's to show you that it's really fun, then you register until after that. So that's just be aware of that. Also, during the sign-up process, as soon as you're registered, it will ask you to upgrade your membership. You can also see I have that option in here, Playbite Plus. So it will ask you right after registering. So you can see, then you look here, what you would get out. It would be ad-free, 2 times price opens, free play bits monthly, 10% more. But the thing is, like, at this time, you don't even know what it really is, and it pops up there. You can do it later. So I would say, don't do this right away. The price will be in your local currency. This is around, you can see it down here. That would be the equivalent of something like $6 or something like that, $6-7, depending on the exchange rate per month. So be aware of that. So don't do that right away. In fact, don't do it. Let me just reveal that right away. I do not think that is worth it, but you will understand more why. So I just want to make clear, when you first register, just play it first. Go through everything I tell you, or just listen to me first before doing anything, then you'll find out if it's even worth it. So just wanted to make that clear so you don't get tempted when you first start. So let's go over how you would then earn. So inside, the main way to earn is here in the home tabs, where there are like these different games, daily games, latest receipts, releases, jumpers, all these different things there. So there are different games you can play. Some of them you can only play once. So how it would then work is, let me try. I'll take this one here. You would click it, and then I need to click to play it. You can see my high score here, and all the games are a little bit different. You just need to spend a few times. Sometimes you can only play them once per day. Other games you can play more, but I need to play. You see then again it tries to get me to get some more of this Playbite there. So, but now it's loading the game, and then here I need to play, and then I need I'm the one where there's a little error also, and then I need to run here. You move to the side there. You see, and then basically just see if I can get these ones to boost my speed. You can see right now I'm in lead. I take this one, then it gets a little bit boost there. So we see you need to try to get these ones there. See, so you're competing against other users there. I'm trying to get this speed. Yep. I'm sorry if it's a little bit boring. I just want to show you what happens when it's actually done there. It should soon be done. You can see, I'm kind of like, it would be cool if I could win now here when I'm actually showing. I'm almost there. Come on. It's a long game today. It doesn't usually take that long, of course. I'm going to record it. Then, see, first place. I actually won it. That's pretty cool when I'm showing it, but that's the kind of games. This is just one, so you can see, then I can continue there, and then it will always ask you, so do you want to double it by watching a video? So that's a video ad. There's a lot of video ads after every game. Sometimes they just pop up all these different things here. So you can see I would double my tickets, but these are the tickets earned. It's not a lot. Let me just reveal that, but we'll talk about next what you can do with these tickets. In this case, I'll just say no, no, because there's no need for you to sit and watch a video ad, and I'm actually also really annoyed by those ads anyway. So I'll just say no thanks, and then we'll move on and look at what you can actually do with these tickets. So as you can see, you win these tickets and they are added to your account up there. And right now I have 56,000, almost 57,000 tickets there, or points, whatever you call it. It of course looks like a lot, but what can you then do with them? Well, you have this shop and you have the prices as options down here. For example, if we look at the prices, these are actually where you can get these different rewards, these different gift cards, for example. But you can also use the shop there, and you can see you can buy like different starters, like little collectibles, they say. You can also buy some other, like for example, gift cards here. But the thing is, with these gift cards, you're not actually like necessarily just buying them here. But you see here, it's not actually the tickets. You can see these are these diamonds there that you would need instead there. So there's all these different things there that you can 5-time tickets booster. It's honestly a little bit confusing here, this one. But you see these diamonds there are play bits. As you can see, this is what you can use to get most of these here. So you can go there. This is actually not where you can use your tickets, so you can't even use your tickets for these guaranteed little rewards there. You would need to pay for that. So you can see 4,000 for example there. This one here, it's more than $20. It's actually $23, something like that, just off the top of my head there, that I would pay for 4,000 of these diamonds or play bits. And that's what's funny, right? That I would have to pay, let's say, like just $25 for 4,000 that I can then use for a $10 gift card. It's like, do you think we're stupid or what? Like, I don't know. This is a really weird system. But anyways, that's one place where you can get so-called rewards. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. But anyways, then you can actually use these tickets. So if we go to the prices here, so then they say like, okay, I want to use this to get this Roblox gift card there. I try to do that. I actually do have a video about the best free ways to earn Roblox gift cards. So if you're interested in that, happen to be interested in that, I'll leave a link in the top corner. But here you see, if I click it, then you think like, okay, now I open it. So here you see I would spend 10,000 of these tickets there to open it. And then the thing is, then I have to click the stop button, and then I will get a certain percentage unlocked. I will win some of these play bits. I will win some tickets. So then I need to just randomly click stop. And then you can see then what it gives me this time is 3% unlock. So then it unlocks 3% of a $10 gift card. So I had 16% in total. So now I have 19% unlocked of a $10 gift card. And I had to spend 10,000 tickets for that. And you could see the game, even though I won, if I wanted to watch an ad, I had to play that whole game, and I won like maximum 2,000 tickets for that. So you can just figure out there, that's like, yes, it's fun games, but wow, you can end up wasting a lot of time playing those games to potentially unlock it, because you can see how long it will take. Now I got 3%. Who says I will even ever get these? Maybe I will get these play bits, a few extra, or some tickets or so. So I can't even just get it like regularly apps, rewards apps or so. At least I know exactly this is how many points I need to earn. This is the gift card that is, I can get, and then you would get it here. The system is just overly complicated. I think they made it like this because it's fun. This whole gamification, so you maybe actually don't pay attention to how much time you spend doing this, and that time would actually be better used on many other platforms if you're interested in earning by playing. But a little bit more about that in the summary next here. So to sum it all up, Playbite is definitely a fun way to potentially earn. I do like the games. So I just showed you one. There are many different types of games. They're all kind of like fun and interesting. But when it comes to the reward system, it is terrible. I have tested hundreds of different ways to earn online and a lot of different ways to earn by playing. And this is just one of the most ineffective and annoying reward system in my personal opinion, because you never know how long you would need to play. You would need to play a lot to just get the tickets enough to claim one of these roles, and then maybe you'll get like a few percent off a gift card. So it's, you have no idea how long you will spend, but you will spend a lot of time. So yes, the games can be fun. If you think the games are fun, use the app for playing the games, but For earning, it's just really ineffective and definitely not worth it in my personal opinion. But I do have a list on my website of the best apps or platforms in general where you can earn by playing. It's not something that will make you rich or anything like that, but it can be a way to earn some extra money. I'll leave a link to that below. If what you're interested in earning potentially a lot of money by playing, then you can look for like game tester jobs. I do also have an article on my website with a little bit more information about options like that. I will leave that below. And also finally, if you prefer also getting a little bit of information about Playbite in writing, I have a full written review of it on my website also, so you can check that. I'll leave it links to all this below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.